So a few days ago, I was feeling really bored. So I went to my YouTube community tab and asked you guys to give me app ideas to make. Then I waited for your responses. I posted it on dev too. And thank you all for your responses. There's always that one guy, isn't there? Reading this thread, I realized that my brain is simply too tiny to understand all the big words these guys are using, like recursion and big O notation. Also, what's Schrodinger's dog? Isn't it Schrodinger's cat? Anyway, scrolling down the comments, I found the perfect app idea.
An app that does nothing.
So before we start coding the app, we need a design. So I opened up Figma and started brainstorming for days how to make this revolutionary app look as beautiful as me. And this is the final result. Then I initialized an Expo app. I deleted all the boilerplate code. And then I started the app. But that's when I realized my app had a fatal flaw. It opens. And opening is something. So I made an app icon on my phone that does nothing when you press it. An app that does nothing.
Make an app that goes overdrive just for the warmth in winter.
So when I read this comment, it got me thinking, what sort of app would turn my phone into a heater? That's when I saw this comment.
Make an app that's a hidden Bitcoin miner.
So once again, I initialized an Expo app. Since I don't know how to mine Bitcoin, hippity hoppity, your code is now my property. So after shamelessly stealing this guy's code, I changed his Bitcoin address to mine. And this app is definitely not mining Bitcoin in the background. But for some reason, I couldn't get the app to install on my phone. Probably because they thought my app was mining Bitcoin in the background, which it isn't. But I didn't give up there. I opened up Unity and created a new project.
And added bean.
Then I stole a bunch of code, put it all together, and started the app. So the code basically spawns in thousands of cubes and beans, and you can use the joystick to move the camera around. So now let's try it out on my phone and see how warm it gets. So it's at 31 degrees at 4:56 PM. So it's been 2 minutes and the temperature is already up 2 degrees. In 3 minutes it's up 6 degrees. So I can safely say this app will keep me warm during the winter.
An app that asks you questions that don't make sense and insult you if you can't answer it correct.
So I pressed a few buttons here and a few buttons there, and I made this.
How to center a div.
What the hell you say? I raised the donut.
Should everybody subscribe?
Failure.
Thanks for watching, guys. These apps took me a long time to make, so make sure you're subscribed. Because in the next video, I'm going to make a calculator app that looks like it should work but doesn't. So make sure you've turned on notifications so you don't miss out on that one. Also, join the Discord. I'll leave a link to it in the description. Comment any other app ideas you'd like to see me make. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.